This video shows you how to replace the imaging unit in your printer. Open the front door. Open door A. Unlock, and then remove the used imaging unit. Remove the new imaging unit from the box. Keep the packing material for the used imaging unit. Unpack the new imaging unit. To avoid print quality problems, do not touch the photoconductor drum and do not expose it to light. Continue removing the packing material. Insert the new imaging unit, and then lock it in place. Close door A. Remove the printhead wiper, and then clean the printhead lens 3 times. Clean the printhead lens regularly to avoid print quality issues. Put the printhead wiper back into place. Close the front door. Pack the used imaging unit.